these things. Now today the world is using the power of the nature, the rhythm of the universe very intelligently. So today I will be focusing my presentation and how we can really enhance our life. But before that I would like to ask you a simple question. How many of us really want success in our life? Great. And how many of us like money and career in our life to take our 2017 goals achieved? Thank you. But question is how? Our answer is very simple. The answer is Vastu Purusha. Vastu Purusha is basically a science and understanding of two things. One is your uniqueness, who you are in this whole universe. What is your uniqueness? And the second thing is how you communicate and how you make a relationship with the universe by your environment. That is, I am talking about your body, your environment, and the nature. So when you combine all these three, you really get the best in your life for which you are here on this planet Earth. So my focus is analysis. My focus is analysis. We all have problems, but the main thing is, are we in a process, are we in a capacity to really analyze where we are going wrong, what's lacking behind. If we do this second part, if this bulb goes on, then the third thing comes, the solution. We get our desired career, we get our desired success. So the nature has given us two important things to understand this. And this is my ask also, and this is my analysis also. I would like to say that there can be chances. Suppose if a person comes, I am not successful, or my business is not getting right, or I am not earning money. So it's not about success, it's not about money, right? It is about something else. And what I have found in my career is that people, they really don't know where they are lagging behind. They just come with a simple question, I am not getting my stuff, why me? So I would like to say, there are the chances that you are not ready. Your body, your appearance is not ready. Maybe you may be having some issues with money. You may be having some issues with your communications. Maybe some issues with your family. You may be having some issues with your networking or communications. It is possible. If you are not communicating, you cannot derive the right results in your life. You might not be having that infrastructure, or you might be spending most of your time in your comfort zones. Right or wrong?
Right.
So if you are in a comfort zone and if you don't come out, then again you are not successful. So we really have to understand how we limit ourselves. The other thing could be that we are not properly educated. We don't have that real knowledge about our stuff, about the program or the life which we are going on. Maybe we are having some health issues, we are having some debts and liabilities of this life or maybe some other life, or we are not in a position to pay off our liabilities. That could also hamper our business, right? We are not getting the new partners or the right partner in our life. We are not having the required return of our labors. We are not changing. It's an important topic. We just resist change. All of us are conditioned that our life should go in a certain way. We always feel uncomfortable when it changes. So how comfortable you are when the life changes? Are you really okay to get that change? Or maybe you are in a wrong world. You are not doing your karma properly. How many of us say that we are doing our right stuff? हम तो अपना सब काम बिल्कुल सही कर रहे हैं. Yes, everybody says. So, but the thing is, then also there can be a problem. And if there is a problem, then other things are going wrong. Or you are not getting your desired results. You are not investing properly. You are not spending properly. Whatever the decisions you are making, investing through your mind, through your body, through your soul, through your emotion, your karma, may be wrong. So really we have to understand in depth. So astrology has gone so far where it can make us understand what is my unique world. What I am here for. What is success for me? I will get success through cash. I will get success through business. I will be self-employed. I will be in service. I will be investing. I will be reaping. I will be having legacy. I will earn through land or what? So we all are unique, and so unique is our life, so unique is our problem. So every problem is not simply that we have to be successful. The problem is how you can become successful. Astrology comes here, which teaches you what are your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, your threats. And corporates, people, they are using astrology in a far imaginative way. When my strike will be over? Which color should I produce this year so that I can have the maximum sales? Should I produce the clothes of yellow or red? So the scope has gone beyond imagination at this time. The corporate world, the politicians, whether I will be winning or not, how should I pitch my campaign? I should be aggressive or I should be slow, I should be working with which classes? They are using so intelligently, so why can't we? We all can really use this power of the nature. And we all are unique. We all have a specific date of birth, time, place with us. Right or wrong? Nobody is bound. Oh, thank you, Nidhi. I will try to finish it off very quickly. And same is the case with Vastu also. When we go for the Vastu, it is not that if the sun rises in the east, everybody is comfortable with the east. What does East say for me is important. East may be relationship for you, East may be money for you, East may be something else for you. So what does East for me? So quickly I will just say the Vastu also segregated into 16 zones, and these are the important zones, which starts with mind. Whether we have clarity of mind or not, mind creates recreation, it gives us sociality, then we comes to analysis, and then cash and the power confidence, which gives us fame, and then we do some expenditures, build our relationships, get the education, get our profits, release our depression, supports and attract, and then money and immunity, and then what? So the thing is, we really have to go to the core issue, and this is what my ask. If you find anybody in your circle dealing with this life issue or a success issue or a money issue, you must make him understand it is not success, it is not business, it is not money. You are lacking somewhere. You need something in your environment, you need something in your personality which can really give you another lead. These are my guests: Mr. Gyan Vijeshwara, Appugar Amusement Park, Mr. Manoj Chaudhary, Airways Infra Limited, Mr. B.K. Tiwari, Century Communications, who is the owner of Mahua and Pragya TV, Mr. Kashin Khadaria, he is owner of Bhojpuri producer, Navi Multimedia, Mr. O.P. Agarwal of Ganpati Exports Limited. And your questions, please. Oh, don't tell me that I'm so good. Yes, sir.
माना जाता है परमात्मा ने जो लिख दिया किस्मत में वो मिलना ही मिलना है।
Perfect.
इसको कैसे हम
How can we justify it?
This is how we aligned to the Paramatma. Good question, sir. And this is what I wanted to say. You have said my words. This is how we come in communion with the nature. Paramatma, Prakriti. Right? So how we come in communion. Uski raja ke saath kaise chale. Not against his raja. Thank you. It was a very good question. Anything else, sir? Yes, ma'am.
I am a follower of Brahmakumaris.
Yes, ma'am.
So according to them, it is.
Oh.
Can I?
Yeah, please.
According to them, whatever we have done in the last life, it is like we have before taking birth in this
Yes.
era, we have already decided, and it's all everything is pre-decided.
Yes.
Like we are going to work here, we are going to have these many kids, and we are going to have these problems and
True.
all. How will you contradict it?
No, I will not contradict it at all. Rather, thank you. It's a really intelligent question. And you have put my words in right position. Yes, it's written, not rewritten. I agree with you. Now, only question is how we come in communion with what is written. We are not going against it.
But if everything is predestined, how-
It is predestined. The only thing is how you initiate your karma and bring that alignment. The Manushya, when separated from the Prakriti, again going to merge into the Prakriti, the journey, how to live that journey. Right, ma'am? We can discuss this on breakfast. We will have a good time together. Thank you. Thank you for this question.